Hello and welcome to HD Sign Design WSYWYG tutorials. This is the setup section. Here I will help you set up your menu design. Welcome to HD Sign Design WSYWYG tutorials. Essentially what you're going to be building is a one-page web page. In conjunction with the HD Sign Design system, it will turn your TV into a digital sign. In this case, a digital menu. The way the system works is you create a one-page web page, then you upload it to the cloud. The system, on reboot or restart of the television, will actually go into the cloud and download the file, which then controls and updates your screen. Now, as you can see here, I'm going to be walking you through the design of completing this exact menu here. The first step we're going to be doing is we're going to be introducing a frame file. Now, the first thing we must do is access the site manager, which is over to our right hand side. We're going to want to right click and go to page properties. Inside the page properties tab, we're going to want to title our screen, or in this case, our menu. So for this tutorial, we're going to name it HD Sign Burgers. Now, with our system, you have the option of creating a horizontal frame or a vertical frame. For this tutorial, we're going to be putting together a horizontal frame. To put together a horizontal frame, your page width should always be 1280. Your page height should always be 720. If you were doing a vertical frame, you will want your page width to be 1080, and you will want your page height to be 1920. Those are the different pixel sizes for the horizontal and for the vertical. So like I said, for this design, we're going to be doing a horizontal, so this has to be 1280 by 720. Now, before we keep going, we go to the next step, which is the page alignment. You want to go ahead and click center horizontal and vertically. Now, before we exit this dialog box, there's one other thing we must do. We're going to want to go over to the style tab right next to general and click, and we're going to want to select the background color. In this case, you can see the mode, and I'm going to go ahead and leave it solid, and I'm going to go ahead and select the color. We're going to go ahead and click this khaki color, which gives you a preview color here. Once you've selected properly your title, your page width, size, and height, in this case for a horizontal frame, and your page alignment is horizontally and vertically centered, and then in the style section, you went ahead and selected the correct mode, background color, in this case is solid with a khaki color, then go ahead and click OK. This went ahead and created your menu background color, and we've gone ahead and correctly titled our page. In this place, we named it HD Sign Design Burgers. Now, I'm going to show you how to insert the frame. To do that, it's very simple. We're going to come over to the left-hand side, which is our toolbox area, and we're going to click on Image. We're just going to click, drag and drop. And as you can see, I've already have a folder with all my graphics pre-selected and pre-made. So here's my red frame file. I'm just going to go ahead and double-click and select, and this will import my frame. So here you go. Essentially, I was able to create my WSYWYG file. I was able to create the size for my horizontal page. I was able to size it to 1280 by 720. I gave it the proper index name, and I gave it my background color. I went ahead and also gave it a title, and I gave it the page alignment. And then I went ahead and also showed you how to bring in the frame. So with that being said, the next step is always going to be to go ahead and click Save. Save is up the upper left hand corner right next to our preview and browser button and our publish button. Always, always, always remember to save.